Of our chiropractic treatment has come to an end. To blood clear. Just driving the Zipcar back home, you know them ones. But you know when you're kind of late, it's booked for 11 and like the time is 11 now. Like fuck it up. One of them ones, but over. You need man, we'll get there, fam. We'll get there. We'll get there still. Oh, fucking buses. Yeah, that's the scooter in the back. Let's get lit down. Bumba, I need to drop this quick, man. Fuck you know, I don't want to get charged that £35 for the late return fee. I won't leave per traffic with the day, and you know them people them I'm only dealing 30-minute booking. So bumba like that just all the way up a lot to Rascally. So let's see. Drive the bus slow like you have one stone underneath your shoulder, bumbuck like. Cause imagine it just has afraid to squeeze it up in a blood gap them. Bumbuck like bus driver, where am I dealing? But yeah, I'm not even gonna show you lot me sing the camera on me car. I'm looking like one hot mess, fam. I say we got like another 5-minute drive, but this bus driver is driving like he's got something stuck underneath his fucking toe on the roads. Yeah, that's alright. Today was like my 4th chiropractic treatment. So yeah, today's my 4th session. So yeah, look. I say these little 1.4 sound nice though. Why would you have to be spinning around over there, you pussy, man? Oh, that looks like my old car. It's riding gear too, like them old school drivers back in my days. You're probably thinking, why am I in a Zipcar? Yeah, but the actual reason is, yeah, come to terms, yeah, basically, my Ford, yeah. Since that video I did on Friday, basically I was driving Friday the 13th. Well, didn't drive, but well, I did drive. Wasn't driving, but yeah, I went for a drive and like just wrecked the whole car, the engine, everything and that. So like, obviously, all clear. Yep. Yeah, guys, always make sure it's clear. Beeping spaces you can't see, just if any cars are coming, they're alerted of your presence. You know what I mean? Just like for like drivers like this. Come on, man, I've got somewhere to go. So, yeah, basically, you lot's probably thinking, why the fuck am I in a Zipcar? Yeah, basically, I come to terms, innit? Like, the focus, what happened, like, do you know what I mean? I felt put off, the drive wasn't the same after that. I mean, even sometimes I'll put my foot down and I'll just feel certain small little movements of the engine or, like, certain little small sounds, yeah, and like, it would just put me off. Like, I'd literally just draw brakes or just, like, honestly, like, it was just a heck time for that car, and I've had it for like 3 to 4 years, like almost the same time I had my license. So yeah, I thought it was time to get rid. Ooh, DSG fuck, but nah, I'm obsessed with them DSG fucks. Yeah, you can see I definitely am. Just try and get this done. It's now 11:04. Shit. If anyhow I get this there 10 past, it's gonna look so bad. I'm happy, man. I got a nice little offer in that. So yeah, we're gonna see what I'm gonna get next. But for the time being, yeah, I think, to be honest, yeah, this is not even me being just a typical young boy, you know. I feel like it's actually makes sense to get a ped right about now in this time. You know what I mean? It really makes sense to get a ped. I just love this digital dash, you know. It's like the cockpit with the. I just love it, man. But yeah. Like I said, I feel like it's really worth getting a ped right about now. Like, I'm going to give you some really... Why? And like, a lot of them being that, like, there's a lot of flower pots everywhere. I don't know what the mayor has got with Fifi and the flower pot, but there's a lot everywhere. There's a lot everywhere, so... that's one. 2, it's a big lifesaver. Like, I mean, do you know what I mean? £8 for what? Probably 10 litres of what? Oh, trust me, it's fucking dirt cheap. So at £8, give you a full tank, probably about, depending if you got a 6 litre tank, £10 probably fill you up proper. I love my scooter, it's good for hair, 1 and 2 little nippy bits, but like, honestly, like the coldness, it's so small, the safety, the security of it, a lot of factors come into it.